How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Long story short, I did a poll on YouTube and Brunswick stew won. You wanted to see me cook Brunswick stew, so that's what I'm going to do, and I love it. There's an argument where it actually comes from in Brunswick, Virginia, or Brunswick, Georgia. All I know is it's delicious and it's popular in the South, and if you go to a lot of barbecue joints, you will find it. All I know, it's very old. I don't know where it came from. There's an argument, like I said. But I'm going to show you how you do it. And it has to be very thick, not like a soup consistency. It's very thick and it's great in winter. It's traditionally served with cornbread or coleslaw. It's delicious. And I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is. And it is easy. Let's crack on. For my protein, I'll be using pork shoulder. And with this beauty, I've already added barbecue sauce. I've rubbed in some barbecue sauce, some smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna do it in the pressure cooker. Faster, and it's gonna taste amazing. Don't you just love these things? These are amazing. I'm not a patient cook, and this has saved my life. I love these things. So I've put it on the saute mode. I'm gonna eat this up. I'm gonna brown this little beauty, and we'll crack on with the stew. So what I would like to do, add some olive oil. Right now, add the pork, and I do want to hear a sizzle. Oh, beautiful. I know, I say this time and time again, but the smell coming off here is unbelievable. That barbecue smell, the smoked paprika, it just smells of the South. It does. Pulled pork, barbecue, what more do you want? So now I'm going to add in some stock. Right, so now I'm going to put it on pressure cooker mode, cook it for about an hour and a half, and say a little prayer, hope for the best. I'm sure it'll be fine. I know it's going to be fine. It's going to taste delicious, and we'll see. Right, this has been cooking an hour and a half, so it should. It's smelling amazing. I'm going to put this pork to one side, and then we're going to shred it. Pork's been shredded. I want to keep fairly, large chunks, and also keep this, the cooking liquor from the pork. That's gold dust flavor right there. I'm using a fairly large Dutch oven for this. You want a big pot, a good deep rim pot. First, I want to chop my onion, make your garlic. Finally, chop your garlic. Right, hot pan. Olive oil straight in. Right now, add your garlic and onions, and there should be a sizzle. Beautiful. And you want to slowly just sweat these off until soft. Right now, add your meat. Add your corn, lima beans, barbecue sauce, tomatoes, Worcester sauce, some hot sauce. This is your own taste buds. Don't forget the cooking broth. We want all that goodness into the stew. Beautiful. Look at that. It's not even done yet. It looks amazing. That's it. Bring it up to a boil, cover, simmer for about an hour, then we should be gold. So this cooked for about an hour, and it's looking and smelling amazing. Come and have a look at this. Look at that. Just look at it. Beautiful. When it all comes together like this, it makes sense, because at the start you think it's a bit of a weird combo, but it makes sense. The smell, the taste, yeah, I get it. Look at this. I've got some nice rolls for this. So, but first, I'm just gonna tuck in. Sweet Jesus. Some roll. Get that in. Yes. Just give this a go, trust me, you will love it. If you love barbecue, all that type of stuff, pulled pork, you will love this. Simple ingredients, easy to do, follow my instructions, and you will not be disappointed. That is simple, delicious. Have fun with it, get it made. Thanks guys.